Today, foreigners are coming to Goa on tourist visas, tampering with their passports, getting themselves involved in minor cases to stay back in India and commit illegalities. This is what the Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo had to say on Tuesday. Michael also said that the government should come up with a law on amendment on such tourists where they should be deported back at once. Here's more. Michael, speaking to media on Tuesday, came down heavily on the rising in drug cases in the state. He said that there are a lot of drug cases registered against foreigners for their involvement in drugs. Michael said that all entry and exits of the tourists should be maintained, and he also said that people should come out and give information to police or authorities if they know about any illegalities in their area. Watch his argument.
Because we do not want any foreigners staying in Goa for a long time without valid visa. Now there are a lot of foreigners who come over here just to stay in Goa and do some illegal businesses like drug trade. They destroy their passport and they enter into some small criminal activity and get a FIR registered on them. This is also a modus operandi where they are how they are operating. If you look at the number of cases which have been sent to detention center, highest number you will find is from Kalangut police station. So you have to see, and also it is the job of the media, the print and electronic media, to highlight where the cases are booked of drugs, where the police are acting on overstaying by foreigners. The government should come out with a proper amendment to IPC Act, that such FIR should not be registered. They should be put in detention center and sent back to their country. Such type of tourists in Goa, they come as tourists. The purpose of visiting Goa is a tourist, or India is as tourist. They get the visa as tourists and they come here and destroy their passport. And once they destroy their passport, they enter into some criminal activity. Somewhere, small criminal activity, where the entire sentence could be either 5 days or 6 days in jail, or they have to pay a fine, that also after 3, 4, 5 years. So the charge sheet, by the time police file their charge sheet, it is 1 year. By the time the court gives hears the final argument and gives order, it is another 4 years. So 5 years they can stay in Goa because there is a FIR filed on them and their passport is a FIR. So we have to understand, the police knows what I am talking about, and this they need to bring to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister, and they only should come out with the solution of amending the required acts or rules which are in place.